Welcome to our daily Forex market analysis, and this is for trading on December the 18th, 2020. Just a quick disclaimer here before we get started. This is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business, so please be careful with your money. As usual, we'll start off by taking a look at our calendar here. So coming up on Friday here, we have Bank of Japan press conference here, and prior to that, we have monetary policy statement. And then the press conference. So back to back, we have multiple central banks. And then we also have retail sales and business, German IFO business climate numbers here. They are expected to be, it's expected to be stable. So that should be positive for euro. If the numbers come in below expectations here, we could see a negative impact on euro. Other than that, we have retail sales numbers here from Canada, but all in all, nothing critical in terms of the news. All right, so let's go on to the charts now. We'll start off by taking a look at euro dollar here. So yesterday we were looking for a further move to the upside in euro, and we got that. So it's into resistance right now though, and that's what we have to watch out for. It's right into this previous support resistance level right here. So here we are, right into this support resistance level. So we'll have to be careful here. All right, so bullish bias all in all. We may see a pullback. So we are going into Friday. So Fridays can be a reversal days. So please watch out for that. So based on the technicals here, bias is bullish, but if the stock market turns, then we are likely to see a turn in the US dollar as well. So right now bullish, and I will look for a bit of a pullback here. We may even get a pullback into 1.2220 here, and then if it holds, we are likely to see a further move to the upside. So bias is bullish. Next target is 1.23 and 1.2320. Just watch out for the reversals though. Pound here, pound also into resistance. It's right into our target from yesterday. So looking back at it, this is a major support resistance level. So I'd be careful here. So my bias here is neutral. If price is not able to go through it, we are looking for a move back down here into 1.3475. So a neutral bias here because of the big support resistance level. Watch out for this coming back into this 1.3475 level. Aussie here, Aussie also into a major support resistance level here, so watch out for that. If it's not able to break through, again, we could see a move back down. So here a bias is a neutral here again. We could get a move towards 0.7570. New Zealand dollar, same thing here as well. We are looking at price into major support resistance level that we haven't seen in quite some time. Watch out for, again, a pullback or a reversal. So we could get a pullback into 0.7120. And if it holds above it, then I'm looking for a move higher, something like that. And if it crosses below this level though, then we are back into this level at 0.7050. So neutral bias for that as well. Dollar CAD here, dollar CAD also kind of sideways here. We see that price hasn't been able to break through the support in the last 3 days. So we could see a move back into 1.2790. So this is a range bound and neutral. Looking at our commodities here, starting off with silver. Silver is right into this resistance level. So this is a major resistance level. So watch out here. It is looking bullish still. It still has that bullishness in it. We could see this one go further If it holds, I would look for a pullback towards 25.50. If it holds above this level, we are looking for a continuation move to the upside, and target here is 27.00. So bias is bullish for silver here. Gold here, gold is into major resistance here. So as we can see, this is where price has struggled before. Now it's pulling back here at this point. Now, if it holds here, then we're likely to see a further move from 1876. So pull back into that. And if it holds, we're looking for a further move higher. So bias is bullish here for gold. And the next target is 1913. Oil here, oil still looking bullish, but it doesn't have that strong momentum at this point. So next target here, still bullish though. Next target is 49.50. So bullish bias here for oil as well. Copper here, copper looking quite bullish. It's holding up here. Next target here is 3.60. So overall it pulled back and then looking more bullish here. So the momentum seems to be increasing here. So bullish bias for copper. Bitcoin here, big move to the upside. And as we can see, a lot of momentum to the upside. We had talked about how once price breaks out, it could get that huge move. So we see that. So still looking bullish, but we may see some profit taking coming into the market. So I would look for a retest at 23.7. If it doesn't break through, we're looking for a drop here. So this is quite an inefficient move, and some of this move can get filled, or this we can see price drop back down again. So watch out for that, but still looking bullish overall. S&P 500 here, it's back into resistance. It did close on the other side of this 37. Actually, we are into 37.20 here. So it went right through the resistance, but it doesn't look super bullish at the moment. Fridays can be reversal days. So if the price, if it doesn't go through today's high, then we could see a move back towards 36.50 level here. So in this case, the first step would be the reversal here, 3,700. And if it goes through, we're looking at 36.50. So right now, I'm neutral on this. Nasdaq here looking bullish. Price has gone through the resistance. So there has been positive talks about the stimulus, and that is helping the markets right now. So looking for a further move higher, 12,820 is the target for Nasdaq. Dow Jones here, this one hasn't quite made its way through the resistance yet, still stuck here. This one is neutral. If it holds below the resistance like it held several times before, then we are looking for a move lower towards 29,885. So bias here is neutral for Dow Jones. Our DAX here looking quite bullish here, still looking bullish. Next target here is 13,750. So bullish bias for DAX. And FTSE here, FTSE is going sideways here. It wasn't able to go through the resistance, so looking bearish, and I will look for a move lower towards 6,500. So bearish bias here for FTSE within that range. And then Nikkei here, Nikkei still sideways here. And as we can see, price hasn't been able to break through the resistance. So looking for a move back down towards 26,280. And that's it for today. So you guys have a wonderful trading day and a wonderful weekend. And I will see you again later. Bye for now.